When it comes to spring cleaning or housekeeping any time of the year, nobody knows how to make it more efficient than professional home and hotel cleaners. Try these tips from the pros in your own home. Hi, I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. I'm known as Mr. Omaha. That's my logo in the upper corner of the screen. I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice, and I was honored by the Omaha Area Board of Realtors as being a legend in real estate. Today, let's talk about keeping your house clean. In this quarantining, staying at home so much this past year, our homes have been used a lot more than normal and maybe really need a spring cleaning this year as a result of it. So let's talk about house cleaning tips to steal from the pros. Stock up on gloves and microfiber cloths. Rubber gloves can help you through a variety of messy tasks without soaking your hands in water or chemicals. Microfiber cloths can be used wet for kitchen and bath cleaning or dry for thorough dusting. And simplify your cleaning products. You should not need more than 3 or 4 products, including a mix of vinegar and water in a spray bottle, to tackle every cleaning job in every room of your house. Keep your cleaning tools handy. Having products and rags in a movable case and brooms and a vacuum in a central spot saves time and energy. In a 2-story home, keep a second vacuum upstairs for quick and easy pickups. And clean the kitchen every day that you cook. Not the whole kitchen, but the range, the counters to the side of it, the refrigerator handle, and the sink. New kitchen dirt is easy to clean, but old kitchen dirt can harden into rock. And don't get boiled down with clutter. Spend some time once or twice a month sorting or putting clutter where it belongs. In between, just pick up those light piles of mail and magazines and clean under and around them. And keep your pets brushed. It will minimize the time you spend dusting and vacuuming. Have a cleaning path, whether it's the back of the house to the front or tougher rooms first. Know the route that you will take. In any case, clean from the top down. Ceilings first, so that floors that catch the dust and debris are the last to be swept and or vacuumed. And start with the worst challenge in a room. In the kitchen, it's the range. In the bathroom, it's the shower. In the dining room, it may be the chandelier. Once you complete the main challenge, the rest of the room is easy. I thank you for watching my video today. My contact information is streaming below. If you want to talk about anything real estate, buying, selling, downsizing, upsizing, builders, what's interest rates, mortgages, any of those things, give me a call at 402-690-1687 or email me at mark@markrenner.com. Or just go to my website at markrenner.com and click on special reports. And there will be a plethora, love that word, plethora, of special reports that I've written on buying, selling, mortgages, builders, and so forth. And I can mail them or email them to you. So give me a call, 402-690-1687. I thank you for watching my video today. Have a great day and be safe.